Welcome back to CountyLine TV. You might notice that I was zoomed in and that I don't have a roof on my car. And we're gonna address that in today's video. We got the roof in my truck. It flew off, as you guys saw in the last video, or a couple videos ago, whatever it was, and it got a little hurt. So we're gonna run it down and get that taken care of today. That's today's objective. Can't wait to have my roof fixed, and then I really need to get my paint booth put up. That way we can fix a what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing on the roof?
We're drinking on your roof.
Why are you on the?
Why not?
It don't make no sense. These guys are on the roof. What are we doing?
We're drinking.
Why on the roof?
Why not?
Were you like trying to get a good angle of the car or something?
Yeah. Sunny out there, bud. Warm.
You guys are weird. Did you see this on that TikTok? Is that where this came from? Look, you guys don't even have a ladder.
You got your ladder.
But it's knocked over.
You let the blade knock over in your yard, so.
Yeah, but how are you gonna get down? What if I just leave?
Jump.
You guys can't even get. What if I just leave?
Jump.
That government must be nice.
Here, come take this camera. These idiots on the roof with no ladder. Sad.
Sorry, this is nice.
Graceful. Have a drink.
All right. Not bad.
Old potty mouth.
The old potty mouth posse's coming back to town. So we made it over here. We're in Zach's garage right now. He's you've met him. He's my TIG guy. So he's going to TIG the crack. I haven't even showed you guys. Hey, where's that top at? Right here.
In the chair. The big obvious thing.
Yeah. So I haven't even showed you guys yet, but the top is cracked. Right. Right there. You can probably see it. It's cracked right there. So we're gonna weld that back together, and then this also happens. She's got a lot to say, so I gotta epoxy that camera. I gotta epoxy that. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Welding montage. So in case anyone is wondering, the frame on the roof of a C5 Corvette is magnesium. You know, just in case you cared to know. If you try to weld with aluminum TIG rod to it on AC, your weld just flies off at the end. As it cools, it just right out of there. Makes a little noise and it's gone. So I'm going to epoxy the fiberglass back to the frame, and then with some like just regular 5-minute epoxy, and then I will get some JB Weld and JB Weld the crack. So I don't really, it's a drift car, whatever.